What's up, YouTube fam? Let's go pull out a tractor. Come on, let's go. It's Sunday, April 10th, 2:41 p.m. I was at home, sort of lazy Sunday. I was gonna edit some videos from the beach yesterday, but got tagged on a Facebook group, Houston Area Offroad Recovery. Tractor got stuck in Katy mowing a field. We're gonna head out there and see if we'll get him out. We got Chip with us. He's excited looking out the window. It should be a one-truck job. I think the man or the guy that mowing the lawn, or the human mowing the lawn, has a truck out there. So if I need an anchor, we should be fine. I got plenty of rope. Yeah, see you over there. Boom. I see them over there. You got two trucks, so it should be pretty simple. It's all the rope. The rope does all the work. So I managed to get stuck in this field too, but I should quit spinning, so it should be good. Even. All right, so we got it set up. Got the truck, got myself out, got the anchor over there. Third anchor, we need it. Got all my winch line out, snatch block, shackle, 30K kinetic rope, 30K strap, 100K strap, and then the tractor itself. It was dragging the truck, both trucks, so now we got three anchors, Hitch. It's coming, guys, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, girl can do it. Homer's pullout game. We'll get him out. Hashtag Matt's Offroad Recovery, LOL. Oh, girl can do it. See it coming out. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna give the winch 5 minutes to cool down and then we'll get it out. Maybe, or she ain't struggling that much anymore. Coming. Hell yeah! I haven't failed yet. Oh man, that's woo-wee! Look at that. Thank you for the camera work, man.
How deep you were?
So, second time getting stuck because it's just wet out here. I didn't bury myself, so. There we go. I'm good. For more awesome off-road recovery content, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. Let's go.